Welcome to Grupo Bauer, an organization dedicated to the optimization of productivity in companies established in Mexico and the Americas, as well as improving the quality of industrial processes. Grupo Bauer is formed by two companies, Bauer Electrónica and Baucom. In 1987, we start Bauer Electrónica, responding to the market needs in the area of specialized electronic technology, process automation, energy optimization, and industrial IT, as well as solutions to specific problems in the automotive industry. We have served the needs of the Mexican market for over 30 years, earning the trust of our customers.
Bauer Electrónica was the first company in Mexico for automation. Starting with 3 people, we now are about 100.
Our mission: provide our products and services to the automotive and manufacturing industry for the improvement of its productivity and efficiency through cutting-edge engineering solutions and specialized high-tech products. Baucom started operations in 1997, dedicated to import, export, and the commercialization of high-quality international brands, destined to specialized equipments, spare parts, and consumables of welding, electronics, and industrial machinery for various applications. In over 3 decades of growth, we have had the fortune of forming a great professional team, always in continuous improvement, to bring our clients our experience and knowledge, which guarantees our results.
As of today, we have projects in every automotive plant in the country. We are rapidly expanding with engineering projects abroad. Our electrical and mechanical team is improving constantly, and our workforce is getting bigger each year. In the future, we expect to be a reference for quality engineering made in Mexico.
Our areas of expertise are industrial automation. We develop complete turnkey projects of automated sales, production lines, and logistic applications by using cutting-edge technology guaranteeing the maximum productivity of the processes. Design and engineering. We offer complete solutions to the needs in automation of industrial production processes, as well as conceptual design and engineering through specialized software for electrical and mechanical appliances. Industrial electronics. We are experts in electrical installations. Our specialized workforce is certified in the main industrial technologies of electronic, power supply, and control applications, in addition to robotic and PLC programming. Industrial mechanics. We have a large infrastructure for mechanical manufacturing, guaranteeing top quality with highly specialized CNC machinery, welding, and painting processes. We work with the most demanding industrial standards under American and European norms. Industrial welding. Grupo Bauer excels in industrial welding processes, working with the best international brands for several types of materials, including steel, aluminum, and plastics. Industrial maintenance. We have experienced and certified personnel to perform preventive, corrective, and reactive maintenance for various machinery of the manufacturing industry, including highly specialized equipment. Industrial networks. We are qualified integrators of communication systems and HMI through high-technology industrial networks, incorporating their processes to the Industry 4.0. Industrial installation and rigging. We offer one-side assembly of your machinery or equipment. We provide turnkey projects. For that reason, we have certified staff in handling, maneuvering, installation, setup, startup, maintenance, and overall service for all our projects. Commercialization. We are importers of all types of machinery and industrial equipment. being able to supply all spare parts and guarantees our customers expects. We partner with international companies and assure the delivery of their products right at the customer's door, without them having to worry about import and logistics of the wares.
I'm very proud that all the families working now here in this business have to be very thankful to our team, our customers. We also have to be very thankful to them because they trusted our service.
We're constantly expanding and growing our capabilities. We are the first company and service company that is certified in ISO in Mexico. So that means that regarding of what we actually had to do, we just did it because we want to maintain ourselves at the head of the pack. So there's no one factory that doesn't have any kind of service from Grupo Bauer. Our goal is actually to represent our partners and give the full support to our customers and the technical and commercial side as if they were just standing around the corner.
Every problem of our clients is a chance for us to resolve it. This is possible through our years of experience and understanding that any tool, any system, and any process can always work better. 3 decades after starting our journey, we embrace the opportunity of growing together with our partners and our clients to bring the best of us right at your company. This is Grupo Bauer.